welcome to the channel. I'm Manaswini, communication trainer and soft skills trainer. Here I'm back with another video. So here in this video, we wanted to know upon receiving the feedback that you guys need some translations and you are having some kind of challenges facing while talking in English, while you think in your mother tongue, but you can't speak it in English. So for that, these kind of videos will get for you to handy. And here is our kind of effort to make you even more proficient in your professional language. So let's get started. So let's see the first video. Naku interview ela attend avvalo teliyatledu. I am not sure about how to attend the interview. Okay, so here is a golden rule while you're translating a sentence from your mother tongue to professional English, and this can be applied to any language translation. So once you try to translate one sentence to another language sentence, make sure that the information is correct from one language to another language. So every piece of information that is mentioned in the sentence is translated to the entire sentence. So that is the golden rule. So let's check out with that rule with the another set of sentences that we do have. Nenu mainframe developer ni. I am a mainframes developer. So let's see the third sentence. Naaku సాంకేతిక నైపుణ్యం చాలా బాగా ఉంది. So this is how you translate with your mother tongue language to a professional English. So let's see the fourth video. Nenu Anita Vijayam Pondali. I need to be successful in all aspects. So let's see the fifth video. Naaku Newzen Sahayamto Manchi Udyogam Vastundi. I will get a job / good job with the help of Newzen. So this is how you have to make sure that every information that is being given in one language should be translated into another kind of language. So this is how you can try to translate your mother tongue languages to your professional English. So with these kind of practices only, there is a scope for you to learn the language, learn the new words in the language and execute it in your daily life. So in this way, try to inculcate, and if you do have any doubts, comment and let me know, and I will address your doubts and concerns and issues in the upcoming videos. And I'll see you with another kind of set of sentences that you want, and you will be the star of the content with this channel. And I'll see you back with another video. So I rest my learnings here. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.